Okay, so to help you a little bit with your homework, I just want to review two skills. One is least common multiples, and the other one is long division, which we practiced today. We talked about least common multiples too, so hopefully you've already done that part of your homework. Just in case you haven't, I'm going to give you a friendly reminder that the word least means smallest, the word common means the same, and multiple reminds me of multiply. So I'm going to take two numbers, 3 and 4. And I'm going to list the multiples. I'm going to list about 5 or 6 multiples of each of those numbers, and then I'm going to try to find the smallest number that is the same in both of these rows. Okay, so we're basically just going to count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So if you list about 5 or 6 in each one, for each one, then you should be able to find the least common. Remember, least means smallest, common means the same. So I'm looking for the number that's the same in both of these rows, and you're going to notice that I find 12. And LCM, which stands for least common multiple, in this case is 12. Okay, let's do one more. I'm going to find the least common multiple of 2 and 5. So again, I'm going to count by that number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That should be good enough. Now I'm going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's plenty as well. So again, least means smallest, common means the same. I'm looking for the smallest number that's the same in both row, and you're going to see that that is 10. So my LCM for 2 and 5 is 10. Okay, hopefully that's a good quick review for you to be able to complete your homework tonight. Now let me review very quickly long division, which we practiced today, and you all did a great job with that. So just to remind you of the steps, I'm going to say that I'm going to divide 3 into the number 54. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my divisor, and I'm going to divide it into the first number in my dividend. So 3 divides into 5 one time, because 3 times 2 is 6, that's too big. 1 times 3 is 3. I'm going to subtract 5 minus 3, and I'm going to get 2. I'm going to bring down my next number, which is my number in the ones column, and I'm going to divide 3 into 24, and 3 goes into 24 8 times. I'm going to multiply 8 times 3. I'm getting at 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. I have no remainder. Remember, you can check your work by multiplying your quotient, your answer for your division problem, by your divisor, and then you should get your dividend, your total. Okay? All right, let's do another one. This one is going to be 89 divided by 7. 89 divided by 7. Okay. 7, I take one digit at a time. 7 divides into 8 one time, because 7 times 2 would be 14. That's too big. 1 times 7 is 7. It's really, really important that you line everything up. Okay? 8 minus 7 is 1. I'm going to bring down my 9. 7 divides into 19 2 times. 7 times 3 is 21. That's too big. 7 times 2 is 14. 2 times 7, 14. I'm going to subtract 19 minus 14, and I'm going to get a remainder of 5. Okay, don't forget, if you want to check your work, you can multiply your quotient times your divisor to get your dividend, but in this case, you got to remember to add in your remainder. So this would look like this: 12 times 7, and then you would add 5. So 12 times 7, 84, plus 5, 89. And that's the correct answer. Okay, do well, take your time, all right? And if you have any questions, we'll go over them tomorrow. Thanks.